This one's super common. Why haven't I heard of this before? I love this quote from Nelson. This is one of my favorites. He said, people take a little bit of information and they jump to absurd conclusions. And so here's a couple of the reasons. Well, first off, the insurance industry as a whole, and this is my opinion, this is opinion, by the way, they are highly, highly focused on the death benefit. Everyone hears insurance, life insurance. People in the insurance, all they do is talk about death benefit. How much do you need to replace your income, et cetera? Or they hear the word premiums and they assume that it's an expense and that they're never going to get the money back. Well, that's because they haven't been taught or haven't had really learned how to do it where you can make that happen. And so that's why when we build these contracts this way, those premiums are really more deposits. You're just stockpiling them for future usage down the line. Participating whole life has been around a long time. 1847 was when the par whole life launched in Canada, paying dividends since 1848. Every company's got their different history, but that's how far it goes back. As far as I've been able to determine, it is literally one of the most stable and consistent asset classes on the planet. Down in the States, they have even longer history, very, very similar situation. One of the other reasons people don't really know about this, well, the book, Becoming Your Own Banker, this book was only published in 2000. And it's a self-published book. It's not, you don't find it in chapters or in, the bookstore. So that means it's, literally you want to buy a copy, you have to talk to a practitioner, or you got to go to Nelson's website and do it. But strangely enough, this book now, we're 18 years later, this book has sold over 300,000 copies, and I believe it's in like 33 or 34 countries. So the message is getting out.